Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your GoDaddy email on an Android phone. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner where your profile picture is shown. Tap on it and then choose the option that says Add another account. A list of different email providers will appear. From this list, select the option called Other or IMAP. Now you will be asked to type in your email address. Enter your full GoDaddy email address and then tap Next. You will now see the incoming server settings. Here, your username will be your full email address again. In the password field, enter the password you use for your email account. For the IMAP server, type imap.secureserver.net. Set the port number to 993 and make sure the security type is set to SSL or TLS. When you have completed these details, tap Next. The next part is the outgoing server settings. Again, type your full email address as the username. The password is the same email password you used earlier. For the SMTP server, type smtp.secureserver.net. Tap Next to continue. At this stage, Gmail will try to verify the information you entered. If everything is correct, the verification will be successful. You will then be asked to enter your name. This name will appear as the sender name whenever you send an email. Type in the name you want people to see and then tap Next. Your GoDaddy professional email is now fully set up on your Android phone using the Gmail app. Thanks for watching.